16-14, another close third set. Let's just see if itong kupuna ng NU can actually string it together to send us to a fourth set. Aiza Maizo.
Santiago on a roll. 12 points already. Vivas with 9. Nepomuceno with 8. Chanco with 3.
Vivas returned that time by Aplaska. Here's Chanco, returned again by Danila this time. Danila keeps it alive. Hingpit. Danila. And Cheryl Danila is just playing the game of her life right now.
Right, Danila with that open hit. Maizo with 12 points already. Gonzaga with 11. Orindain with 10. And Aplaska with 8.
Kalat na kalat.
Yun yun talaga yung nangyayari dito on the side of the Lady Stingers. And credit that to Higpit for distributing the ball well.
Oo, man. On cue. Si Mosi
Right on cue. Sorry.
On cue.
Jinx.
Nangyayari talaga. Hirap maging broadcaster, ano?
Yan naman eh.
17-15. Still a 2-point lead.
Haba ng game eh. Talagang at that moment.
Parang naalala ko dati sunod-sunod na serve na maganda. Biglang binati natin yung serve. Nagkaroon tuloy
Kaya mas marami dun eh. Mas malamang yun eh.
Para sa basketball, pag nagpe-free throw, naalala ko ako yata sumira sa free throw stick ni Johnny Aparientos dati. 29 in a row. 29 in a row. Aparientos going for 30. He's going to make this one. Hindi. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's League.
That is so Noel naman talaga. So very Noel and Gonzaga.
Time out NU. Maaga ang pull away na ginagawa ng Lasal dito ngayon, ha?
Final back player. Okay. You're only focused on the second ball na i-set mo. Hindi ka focused na kailangan mo, umu-over yung bola, kailangan mong pigilan yung pagtalo. Pinalalakas nyo yung loob ng kalaban nyo eh. Bakit? Sa takot ninyo, sa baka mapilayan kayo, sa takot ninyo, baka tamaan kayo sa mukha. Hindi nakakahiya yun. Ibig sabihin, ginagawa ng trabaho ninyo. Okay, kailangan natin ng receive. Umu-over ang receive natin. Ano?
19-15 right now. Let's take a look at that last play once again. Ito yung umu-over ang receive. Well, of course, Hingpit, one of the best. Right there, Reyes. And Gonzaga says, what is this before?
A gift.
A gift. A volleyball over the net.
And I shall take it.
Here's Vivas on the runner.
Oh, Blasco's there.
Danila. Nepomuceno. Salibad. Vivas. Block. Cookie once again going to Mumay. Over everybody. Hingpit. Salibad now going to Vivas again.
Maizo taking it.
Malaking libero. Nakahiyaan si Danila sa si Rendain. Here's Sante. Salibad now going to Vivas. Dug up by Aplaska.
One-handed save by Aplaska as Maizo returns it.
They go to Vivas once again. Over everybody. Maizo is there again. Danila. Oh! Then Reyes Tapaco.
Yung footing niya eh, medyo nadulas ng konti as she wasn't able to get to that ball. But another long rally. This has been the story in this game. Ang dami nating mahahabang rallies.
Actually, very evenly matched itong dalawang koponan na ito. But St. Lasal just playing with a little bit extra mustard ngayon, ha? Aplaska, Reyes. Salibad. Vivas. Aplaska. Gonzaga. Danila again. Reyes again. Sante off the block. Oh, hindi na masasabi. Sayang, ganda ng effort dito. Pero lifting daw itong si Aplaska.
Magugulatin itong mga tigas, St. Lasal.
Bilis naman ng tira
mag-react eh, di ba?
Oh.
Ang galing mag-reaction yung reflex. Bibilis
You gotta remember also the time when Adamson did not have much height. Ganyan na ganyan din ang laro nila.
Parang beach volleyball
Yes.
yung defense.
Captain Sante. Hingpit. Gonzaga on the head of Salibad.
Goodness.
Kasi sa ulo talaga. Ito. You wanna see stars? Ito. Kay Dindin pala yun. Hindi pala kay Salibad. Seeing stars. Ang layo na naman ang service nito si Danila. Reyes. Talibad on the quick from Dindin. And Gonzaga hits into the net.
Violation called against the Lady Stingers, and this is still playable. At kanina, gantong-ganto yung score
Yes.
natin at the second set. Let's see if this turns out to be a different ending, or will finally the Lady Stingers go home with that bronze medal.
That's right. Orendain blocks that time and it drops in. So Dindin still smarting from that attack on her head earlier with the block point. Vivas, the birthday girl.
Sabi mo, dapat regalo to ng teammates niya sa kanya.
Well, looks like she's going to have to contribute a little more. Hingpit, read by Chanco. Santiago. Hingpit, nagkabanggaan si Aplaska at saka si Orendain. I don't know if Kay is okay. Here's the Pomuceno. That one hit the antenna off the block of Hingpit. So now, here comes NU.
That's right, and just 2 points down in this third set.
Napako sa 21 ang St. Lasal. Timeout, Roger Banzuela.
Ako, coach.
Ako na, guys!
Hindi na kinanglan mag-exhibition, no? Gamay ang blocker. Gatag to pa B. Hindi ka diskarte. Taas mo lang sa tubangan sa gamay na block, oh. Tapos si Jupilin, sudan mo sa tubang. Tutan mo daw, time differential lang, okay.
Isa lang.
Iwan ka na lang. Quick, oh, gamay ang
Sino yung kamay na block? Puro malalaki ata ito eh.
Sinong gamay? Wait, let's
Si
see.
Salibad siguro. Oh. Alam mo kung sino yung maliit na blocker eh. Well, that's gonna be on the side of Orendain. So let's see what St. Lasal can do. They're only ahead by 2. NU with a spirited rally here towards the end of set number 3. Vivas, great serve. Hingpit. Orendain still goes through Santiago. Here's the Pomuceno. Oh, wow!
Nice. Down the line hit.
And Kai cuts it to 1, Mosi.
That's right. More importantly, cuts down the lead to just 1.
And Vivas has to stay flawless on her serve. And an ace!
Better yet, get an ace. And this is really the time for it. The Lady Bulldogs to string up points and maybe close out this set while Santiago and Nepomuceno is in front. Vivas taking care of things at the back row.
This is the tightest it has been. And finally, Vivas attacked the right spot once again, but got the wrong result. Timeout, NU. St. Lasal up by 1. Endgame.
Huwag mo masyadong idudulo kay Kai. Okay? Medyo bitin ang set, ha? Pero kailangan pag bumalik yung bola, kailangan matras ka. Kinakapos ka kasi wala kang approach. Okay, paikutin mo yan. Sino ba nasa harap? Okay, paikutin mo sa harap. Intindihan, dito, sa likod pala. Hindi sa harap, ha? Okay? Isang side out. Enyo.
Again, an ancient reference using the word side out. That means stop the opponent from scoring on their
Side
serve.
out. Hindi ko alam yan
Nakapanood ako ng game dati, Philippines Thailand. Inabot ng 5 oras dahil sa side out na yan.
Finals with FEU na alala ko 4 hours and mga 10 minutes lang.
Ayun, SEA Games yung napanood ko.
Grabe.
Philippines Thailand, almost 5 hours yun.
Parang paguran na lang
Oo. There's the
Free ball,
Pomuceno.
ayun sana yung bitin na set na sinasabi
Right.
ni Coach Francis. Exactly what the catch got.
But this is a good setup now for the Pomuceno. That's what she wants. And she does not get it.
It hit the antenna. And the story missed there.
So 23-21. 2 points away from the bronze. St. Lasal. Reyes. Vivas for Nepomuceno. Aplaska. That's the lead to 1.
Too much power on that hit.
23-22.
Seno going for an angle that time, but it's a 1-point lead for
Right.
it. It's a third set.
Oh, and you would like to extend this to a fourth
yes.
set. Here's Gonzaga. Nice dig by Salibad. Vivas. Nepomuceno. Hingpit now on the back set for Maizo.
Maizo, making sure she took that one using Santiago more than Ato.
And now match point for the ladies from Negros Occidental. Can they do it right now? Good serve by Gonzaga. Talibad. Shanko. Maizo blocked by Santiago.
A bit in a hurry with Isa Maizo to taking that point. It's last minute.
And the right time to put in the serve specialist, I would think, for NU as Grace Giesta sees her first action. And timeout, St. LaSalle.
Silingusa ron niya matapang na one good receive 24-23 kaya isa bantayan na ikaw siguraduhin mo lang gamay ang block mo ang isa sino sa tubangan tatlo ka mo o sudlan mo pag nakita mo isa lang ang block pangayo ka bola yun ko lang atak.
They just need 1 point
Yes,
to make history.
A good receive, expect a quick hit coming from St. LaSalle, coming from the Lady Stingers.
Okay, Grace Giesta, the serve specialist now. Most important serve of her career here at NU right now, coming cold off the bench. She's a lefty, and she gets the job done. What a great serve. Here's Hingpit. Orentado! It's all over. The University of St. LaSalle gets third place in the Shakey's V-League Season 8 First Conference. The first Visayan team to ever do that. And what a thrill here. Well, both teams have nothing to be ashamed of, but what an achievement here for the University of St. LaSalle. Shakey shake and play right here. This is a great serve by Giesta.
It's actually an achievement for both squads,
Right.
also for the NU Lady Bulldogs. Showed us a great game today.
And Paddy Orendain, the best scorer, puts it away. Straight sets win here for the University of St. LaSalle Lady Stingers, and they take home third place dito sa Shakey's V-League. What an achievement yan para sa ating mga kababayan from Region 6, of course.
Ito talagang gusto natin mangyari. Nung 3 years ago, inimbita natin sila. We wanted things to happen also for them and to be at par with the Manila teams. And eto na nga, nangyari na
Well,
today.
eto po si Rina Villamor is with our Shakey's Player of the Game. Rina.
That's right, and that is no other than Cheryl June Denila. At kung tawagan siya ng mga teammates niya, Beauty Denila. Anyway, congratulations to the Lady Stingers.
Thank you.
Ano pa ba yung mga pinaka-memorable experience mo dito sa conference na ito aside from winning this third place?
Aside from winning the third place po, yung pinaka-memorable po na experience ko is yung bonding po namin sa team. Mas naging malakas po, hindi lang po sa teammates ko, pati po sa coaches namin. Tsaka po sa mga supporters po namin na overwhelming po talaga. Lagi pong nandyan para sa amin, para mag-cheer po. Ayun po.
Okay, and speaking of supporters, pwede mo bang sabihin sa kanila kung ano yung mga next tournaments nyo para pwede kayo nilang abangan?
Sige po. After po ng V-League, meron po kaming Philippine National Games po sa Bacolod City. Starting May 23 to 29 po sa Bacolod din po. Yun po.
Alright, at syempre dahil best player ka, hindi mawawala ang iyong best prize from our Shakey's representative.
Thank you.
Ito na ang pagkakataon mo para magpasalamat ka sa mga fans mo, sa friends mo, at sa family mo na todo-todong sumuporta sa iyo sa conference na ito.
Maraming salamat po sa Diyos at saka sa family ko po sa Iloilo City, Denila family, mama, papa, mga kapatid ko, mga tita, tsaka tito ko, tsaka po sa Hainga family po, sa Demontaño family, sa mga family friends namin, sa families ng teammates ko, tsaka kay Demi po sa Korea, tsaka mga kasamahan niya, at sa family po ng coaches po namin, at sa lahat ng supporters po. Salamat po.
Ayun, salamat din sa iyo at congratulations to the Lady Stingers.
We